Hello and welcome to the result show of 29th Annual Photographic Competition of Orange City Photographers Club Nagpur. I am Dr. Matrishwa B. Vyas, convener of this competition, and I, along with my co-conveners Mr. Rajan Gupta, Mr. Chetan Joshi and Mr. Pankaj Gupta, are excited to announce the result of this competition. But before I do so, let me introduce the judges and the judging process. This year, competition was held under three categories: wildlife and nature, travel, street and events, and the third category was mobile phone photography. The judging process was carried out in two rounds. In the first round, images were shortlisted for the final round of judging. At the same time, these shortlisted images qualified for being exhibited in a physical exhibition at Nagpur to be held between 16th to 19th of August 2025 at South Central Zone Cultural Center, Nagpur. Orange City Photographers Club extend their warm invitation to visit this exhibition and witness some of the incredible images on the wall. After the first round, images went for the final round. Here, few images were selected as finalist images. After scrutinizing the raw files of these finalist images, judges gave their verdict. Our esteemed judges were Mr. Subhas Jirange from Mumbai. He judged the street, travel and event category. Mr. Subhas Jirange is an acclaimed photo artist and has won many photographic awards in his illustrious career. Miss Sangeeta Mahajan judged the mobile phone photographic category. A dedicated photo mentor, Miss Sangeeta Mahajan, runs her own photographic academy in Nagpur. And in wildlife and nature category, it was Mr. Varun Thakkar who gave his verdict. An award-winning wildlife photographer, Mr. Varun Thakkar, hails from the tiger capital of India, the Orange City, Nagpur. It was a great honor for Orange City Photographers Club to have this esteemed panel of judges. Thank you, all the judges, and please accept our sincere gratitude and a sense of obligation. And as a convener, it was an eye-opener and a wonderful experience for me to curate this competition. I will be failing in my duty if I do not thank the sponsors of this competition who generously supported us in every step of this competition. And I am grateful to all the participants who have sent their wonderful entries to this competition and making this competition a grand success. So until next time, keep exploring.